Hello, my name is Harmony and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all about Google Drive, the basics of Google Drive. If you're interested in that, then keep watching. Let's dive in. So now we're going to be looking at how to access Google Drive. There are three ways that I'm going to be showing you in this video. The first way is by searching for Google Drive on Google search. So my browser is already open. I'm going to type in Drive, or I just say Google Drive and press enter. Alright, so this is the first option that comes out. Almost everything you will see is on Google Drive. You understand? So you can just click on this first one. I'll click on this, and this is Google Drive. It says I should sign in. So if you get this prompt, you can just sign in. So let me quickly sign in. Alright, and so we are in. This is my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive, and if this is the first time you're entering your Google Drive, you'll get this mini tutorial from Google. It tells you how to move, how to paste, how to copy, and all of that. So this is the first way to get into your Google Drive. The second way to get into your Google Drive is by typing drive.google.com on your search bar. Just type drive.google.com and we'll press enter, and it brings us straight to the Google Drive. Of course, if you are already signed in, it will just bring you in, but if you're not signed in on your browser, it will bring out a prompt for you to sign in. The third way to locate your Google Drive is you see this cluster of dots, or let me just come here. Let's say google.com. So from your Google homepage, this is your Google usual homepage. So you see this cluster of dots on the top right corner of your screen. You click on those dots and it's going to bring out some options here, some Google tools. When you scroll, you'll see Drive. This one that is highlighted right now that's the logo for Drive. So you click on that and it brings you straight to your Google Drive. It's very easy to locate. All right, now I'm going to be talking about how to upload a file to your Google Drive. How do you upload a file? Because this Google Drive right now is empty, it's brand new, so there's nothing in there. Now we're going to go to the top left corner of your screen, this plus sign on the top left corner of your screen, plus sign with the writing that says new. You click on that and some options will come out. So we're going to click on the second option here, this highlighted one that says file upload, and then you click on that. It's going to open up a folder in your computer where you can navigate, choose whatever file you want to upload. Let me upload this. So I clicked on that and it has uploaded. I don't know if you can see this part of my screen. You will see your file uploading at the lower right corner of your screen. That's if you're using your computer, the lower right corner of your screen. So I want to take this again in case it was too fast for you. You click on the plus sign at the top left corner that says new, the plus sign. You click on that, then you scroll. When you see file upload, from the options click on file upload, and then you navigate to whatever file you want to upload. Let me look for picture. Okay, let me click on this. So when you click on your picture, you can double click, or you can click and press open at the bottom of your screen. Anyone works fine. So the first time I uploaded, I double clicked. So now I'm going to click on this and click on open at the bottom of my screen, and here it has uploaded. You may be wondering why you can't see it on your Google Drive yet. You can just refresh. Yes, and here they are. These are the two files we just uploaded on our Google Drive. That's quite straightforward. So now, how to download the file? Okay, how do you download the file from Google Drive? Imagine you've had a file here for a while, or you have a document that you needed to access. You found the document, but now you want to download it so you can have it on your device, because Google Drive is a cloud tool, so everything is saved online. But now you want it on your device, so you download. Now you can click on the file you want to download. You can click on it, and at this the right corner, you'll see an option for download. This tiny arrow facing down. I hope you can see this clearly. This tiny arrow facing down, that's what you click to download. So I'm going to click on this now. I've clicked on it and it is downloading. This is it telling me, oh, okay, the folder I want to save it to. This is just based on the settings on my computer, and I'm going to press save at the bottom of my screen. I've pressed save, and here it is downloaded. So this is my file. Now, second way to download, you can right click on the file you want to download, and these options, when they come out, you just click on download. All right, you click on download and it's going to download. Now, how do you rename a file? For example, you have a file that, oh, you want to change the name so it's easier for you to remember, or so it's properly distinguished, or it's different from other similar files. You click on the file you want to rename, you right click on it, and then you select rename, and it's going to bring out a place for you to type whatever name you want to put, whatever it is, whatsoever it is you want to use as the name. You type it in there and you press OK, and our file is renamed. Now, how do you create a folder on your Google Drive? That's very easy also. You come here to the top left corner of your page, this place where it says new with the plus sign. You click on that, and the first option you see there is new folder. So you click on that. It's going to bring out a prompt for you to type the name of your folder, whatever name you want it to be. So usually folders you use to organize your Google Drive, especially when you have a lot of documents and you want to categorize, so it's easier for you to locate files, it's easier for you to know what is what. That's where folders come in. So I'm just going to type the name of this folder and say um, Google Practice folder. Let's just put it that way, Google Practice folder, and you click on create. So our folder has been created. That's what's highlighted in blue. Now our folder is empty. Our folder is empty. How do we move items into this folder? So there are different ways to go about it. First way, you can right click on this. You right click on the file you want to move. You right click on the file you want to move, and then you scroll down to organize, and the first option under organize is move. So you click on move, and then you get a box that shows you all the folders that are in your Google Drive. So this is the only folder here. That's why this is the only option that has come out. But if you have 10, 20, 15 folders, you will see all the folders. It will be here as a list, and so you can just scroll and select the folder that you want. So you click on this folder and you press on move, and it has been moved. You see now on this side of the screen the location, this place that says location, it has changed from my drive and it has changed to Google Practice folder, because that is where we have put the file. Now, how do you share a file? Imagine you have a file in your Google Drive and you want to send it to someone, or you want someone to have access to that particular file. How do you do that? You click on your file that you want to share, you right click on it, and then you scroll to share. Very easy. So you can either just press share, or you can press on copy link. So now I'm going to click on share. It's going to bring out a box. This box, you can restrict the file to only people who have a copy of the link who have access to that file, or you click on this tiny arrow here and say anyone with the link can have access to the file, and then you can determine the kind of access they will have, if they can just be a viewer or a commenter. They can comment, if they can just view the file only, or if they can both view and comment, or if they can view, comment, and edit the file. So whatever type of access you want them to have, you can regulate it from here, from this box. You understand? So whatever it is you want, I just want the person to view, so I'm going to just click on viewer. Whatever it is, if it's a Google Docs, I'm going to do a tutorial on Google Docs, and I'll explain better on how people can comment and edit on a Google Docs that you have created and you have shared with someone else. So for the purpose of this video, this will just be a viewer, so we'll leave it as that. And then at this top part, this highlighted box, you can type in the email address, of whoever it is you want to send this file to. So I'm going to type my own address. All right, so this is it. You can type in a little message here, or you can say, oh hi, please look at this file, this is this, and you understand, the person will see your message. The person will receive this message as an email in their email inbox, and from there they can access the file that you have shared with them. So we're just going to press send, and it is sent. That's one way. Second way is to right click again. From the options that come out, you click on share, and then you click on copy link. So you can copy the link from here. Imagine if, for example, you already have your email. Maybe you're typing an email, you can just paste the link there. You can paste the same link on your WhatsApp, you can paste that link on your Slack, on your Teams, wherever the person will gain access to that link. You can paste the link there and tell the person, oh, this is the link to so file, and they will have access to it. So I think that's pretty straightforward. Now, how do you delete on your Google Drive? Imagine maybe you made a mistake, you mistakenly uploaded something that ought not to have been uploaded. You can right click on the file, scroll down and move to trash. Click on the option move to trash. So let's do that, and it's gone. Although if you did this mistakenly, I'm saying if you mistakenly moved a file to trash, you can come here on the left side of your screen, all of these options here at the bottom, just before storage. At the bottom you see trash, so you click on trash, and then you see this file you just deleted is going to be on here. So you can recover it, you can right click on it, and option for restore will come out, or you can as well just delete forever if you really want it to be permanently deleted immediately. So that's all for today. I hope this was really helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Very important. It's going to help me, it's going to help this channel. And please click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new content we're putting out. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye for now.